How to use your debit card without a zip code.
Hello viewers. Today we're tackling a question that many of you might have had at some point. Can I use my debit card without providing a zip code? It's a simple question, but the answer can vary depending on the context. Let's break it down.
When is a zip code required?
The first thing to understand is when you might be asked for a zip code while using your debit card. Generally, this happens during card transactions at gas pumps or self-service checkouts. These machines often ask for your zip code as an additional security measure to ensure that the person using the card is the actual cardholder.
What if I don't provide a zip code?
So, what happens if you don't provide a zip code? In most cases, the transaction simply won't go through. It's a security feature designed to protect against fraud. However, this doesn't mean that you can't use your debit card at all.
Debit card transactions without zip code.
Yes, you can use your debit card without providing a zip code in many situations. For instance, if you're paying at a physical point of sale where a human cashier is involved, you'll rarely be asked for a zip code. Additionally, online purchases often require billing address information, which does include a zip code, but you might be able to complete the transaction without it if the merchant doesn't require address verification.
What if I don't have a zip code?
If you're from a country that does not use zip codes, or you have other reasons for not having a zip code, don't worry. You still have options. For example, you can enter 00000 as the zip code at some places. If that doesn't work, it's always best to consult with your bank or card provider to determine the best course of action. So, while a zip code might be required for some self-service transactions, in many cases, you can indeed use your debit card without providing one. However, remember that it's always important to keep your card details secure. If you ever have doubts or questions, reach out to your bank or card provider for guidance. That's all for today's video. We hope this has clarified some of your concerns.